So the 4th gen Oura Ring has been out for 3 weeks now today, and we have been using it nonstop ever since, only taking it off to charge. Having said that, it's been kind of used and abused, from running to scraping things. We have a Cybertruck, if you guys don't follow the channel, stainless steel, hitting it on the side. And I want to take some time today to go over the quality of this build from last gen. Now, spoiler alert, this is not flawless. That matte kind of coating over the ring does show marks, and I want to show you guys what to expect. It's going to be no different depending on any finish you get. It will show scrapes and marks. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I want to show you the Gen 3 Oura Ring first that we had in that glossy black, just to compare and show you, like I said, the finish doesn't matter, whether it's matte or shiny, glossy looking, it does pick up scratches the same way, with the caveat being that the glossy ones will show fingerprints even worse. So I'm hoping this is going to pick up for you guys on camera okay, but this ring has a number of scratches all along the perimeter and really isn't terrible from wearing it for about 6 to 8 months or so, but it does have damage to it. Now, having said that, still works perfectly fine. It's not going to be a deal breaker for a lot of people, but in only 3 weeks of wearing it, here is our new Gen 4 ring, and we already have slight markings on it right around here, as you can see. So, like I said, this has been worn basically 24/7 aside from the maybe 45 minutes that it's charging every other week or so, or I should say every week. But aside from that, and those are really the main scratches right there, obviously fingerprints aren't as much of an issue on a matte ring. I can tell you with 100% certainty, this feels night and day better compared to what the actual Gen 3 did. So you can see them side by side here again. They both actually, worked very well for what they're used for. But if you are looking to have a lot more comfort and a lot more peace of mind from a finish standpoint and kind of what it's going to look like from a long-term and longevity view, I feel very confident that there's not going to be too many build issues with this or concerns thanks to no more protruding sensors or any of that. So again, it's been 3 weeks to the day wearing this, and you guys can see it is pretty good. So I know this is not really a technical video for you guys today, but I did want to let you know the difference it makes not wearing or not having those protruding sensors. The level of comfort is much better. The fit is great as well. A lot of conversation was surrounding if you had hypothetically an 11 in the prior one, you might need to get a 10 in this one just for the sizing. We moved hands if you didn't see our prior video. So we used to wear it on our right index finger, and this was an 11. This we moved into a 12. That's purely because we're wearing it on our left index finger now. Size-wise, with those protruding sensors, did shrink a little bit, so keep that in mind. I definitely do recommend getting one of those sizing kits. If you'd like to pick one of these up, it's $10 and you get that $10 credit. I'll throw those links up down below if that's something you're interested in doing. From Amazon or Best Buy, they all have them. But I do recommend sizing it just so you are aware of what size is needed here. Now, also having said all this, you can see not too many fingerprints. Like I said, you have those small little dots and scratches here. I actually thought it was going to be significantly worse after I banged it right into the metal garage door. It scraped, but it did wipe right off, which was nice to see. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for build quality and all that, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised with the Oura Ring 4. Let us know in the comments down below. Have you picked one up? Are you going to? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.